Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deep and you guys have tuned into Miss Diva Deep. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I'm going to share the most requested makeup tutorial that's bursting out of trends but with a twist. Firstly, the makeup tutorial going to be black smoky eye makeup tutorial, and then the twist is I'm going to style it with my dad's old shirt. Isn't it exciting? And wanna see how I did it? So without any further pause, let's just dive into the video. So now guys, it's time to prepare my base for eyeshadow. For that, I'm gonna apply Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 long lasting primer all over my lid. That I'm applying Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and then I'm gonna blend it all. Now guys, our base is ready. It's time for eyeshadow. Now guys, for eyeshadow, today I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. Firstly, I'm gonna apply it on my lid portion like so. And then I'm gonna blend it all over my lid. Just to avoid its stickiness, I'm gonna apply black eyeshadow on my lid from Morphe's 35A palette. To make it look dissolved, I'm gonna take this mauve shade from the same palette and I'm gonna apply it in the blended form. As transition, I am using the light brownish shade above my crease lines just to make my whole eye look blended. Now on my eyelid, I'm gonna apply Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow to make it look sort of shinier on side. But if you want to make it look mattify, you can completely skip this step. Now guys, I'm blending it with fluffy blending brush. By the way guys, you can follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is given in the screen as well as in the description box, so you can check out there. Now guys, in between this transition, I did my kajal and eyeliner. Now guys, it's time for lower lash line. For that, I'm gonna apply that same mauve shade which has pinkish and bluish undertones. Now guys, let me put my falsies, and with that I have already done my inner corners by putting some highlighter over there. Now it's time for mascara, and I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. What you need to do is just apply it and wiggle it. Now it's time for face makeup. Firstly, to moisturize my skin, I am using this Miniso's face moisturizing lotion, rubbing it on my hands and applying it gently all over my face. Now to make my skin look brighter, I am applying Nykaa Skin Potion Serum. Guys, you know I love this because it gives instant glow to my face. Now I'm using Miss Claire Face Illuminator to give my face an illuminating effect. Now moving forward towards the foundation, I'm using Fit Me in the shade 115 Ivory, and I'm gonna apply it using stippling brush all over my face, including neck and ear area. and using Damn Beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it all. Now guys, for concealer I am using same instant age rewind concealer and applying it on the required areas. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my previous videos. Now I'm gonna blend it well. By the way guys, if you like my video till now, you can like and subscribe to my channel. Also you can give your opinions for my next YouTube video in the comment section below. Now for contour, I am using this Maybelline New York V-Face Duo Stick and I am gonna apply it on the required areas like hollow of my cheekbones, nose and also on my jawline. And now blend it well. Meanwhile guys, you can hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now it's time for blush, and today I'm using this O2O liquid blush and applying it on my cheeks and blending it towards my nose. To set my face, I'm applying this loose powder under my eyes, also under the contour area, just to give my face more edgy look. To make my makeup long lasting, here I am using makeup fixing spray, although this will also help my makeup to look natural. So now here I am applying highlighter on the high points of my cheeks. For For lipstick guys, you can use any of your favorite shade, but nudes and coral are the best for smoky eye. So first of all guys, this is what I am wearing. Simple white polka dot top with ice blue colored jeans from Levi's. To give it a complete twist, I decided to go for dad's old shirt. And here it is. It's a plain white shirt having blue checks on it, and what I did is tied a knot from inside and folded arms. Don't you think so? Now it's looking better with same jeans and nude heels, but I realized that something is missing. So that's why I have decided to add a belt as element in it. And I tied it around my waist area above the knot. Look how chic and classy it is looking. Now to enhance the whole look, I'm gonna accessorize with a beautiful necklace. Now guys, I'm all set. Styling my dad's shirt with smoky eye. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please take a moment to appreciate it by turning that grey like button into blue, and also do share and subscribe to my channel, and must leave your valuable comment in the comment section below.